ASX Exchange Square at the head office in Sydney. Syndeticom was engaged to design and deliver the upgrade of a multifunction space featuring 2 LED walls. And today I'm excited to share with you the final result of this project.
A lot of what we do is based around technology at the ASX. So we wanted to present a face of a technology company to our customers, and so we wanted to have something that impressed people when they walked in. We went out to a number of vendors. Things varied dramatically from one vendor to the next, the solution, the pricing. So we were looking for a partner we could trust because we knew it was a big visible piece of work. Syndeticom did have experience within the ASX of doing a number of jobs in our data centres and things. They had a reputation for doing good work.
The biggest complexity with this job was to deliver the project within the 6 weeks period, and that included a decommissioning of the existing system, installation of the whole hardware, running all the cabling between the video wall and the rec room.
This was a challenging space to work at. It's obviously a very large and open cavernous space, so getting the audio right was definitely a challenge, and we worked with ASX to provide some steerable column speakers to deliver high intelligibility in a reflective space. The video wall system is based on a Novastar splicing processor, which feeds the Barco fine pitch video wall. This processor handles all source switching and overlays, and we've programmed our touch panel to allow the users to locate their content wherever they want on the screen, over the top of or underneath signage content. They can also display the in-room cameras on the screen for people in the room to get a better look at the stage, and they can feed these content sources also out to a recording output for Teams or Zoom or media who turn up to record the events.
Tim did a terrific job on the design. He's got obviously a very good technical mind for these sorts of things, and Mario, working in conjunction with our PM here, I think worked really well together. We have events in here where a company will come in, and on the video walls that you'll see behind us here, that's where we'll put up their new ticker logo. We'll put up a countdown for their stock to trade on the stock market, and in the background there you probably see the bell. When the stock starts trading, the bell rings. So it's a really big moment for companies when they come to the ASX, and this space needs to represent that excitement for them.
It was definitely a privilege to do this project. This project would not be possible without the team effort of the whole Syndeticom team.
I've really enjoyed working with the ASX team. This project has taken a while to get off the ground, but that's meant that we've had a lot of time to fine-tune it. So yeah, it's been a real pleasure to work with them and give them a solution that they're happy with.
Syndeticom have been a terrific partner to work with. They've been very responsive to our changes. We've had quite a few changes along the way. Syndeticom have been extremely accommodating with these things. The combination of the after installation support, particularly from people like Tim, has been excellent, and I feel Syndeticom will be there for us throughout this next phase as well. I think they're very keen to be there for us to help us out. We look forward to continuing this working relationship with them. It's great.